Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best online app development courses, certificates. These are courses that I've taken out time to sort out and check them to make sure that they are ideal courses that you can get started with today and give you all of the information that you need with app development. So either you are new to app development or you have just some ideas when it comes to app development, or probably you just need a course that you can take so that you can earn some certification so that to boost your resume or your portfolio, then do make sure you watch the video till the end. Also, the courses I'm going to be recommending in this video, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video so that it can be easy for you to access them. All right, so before we get into it, if you are new to PE Academy or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. You find the red icon at the lower right side of the screen, or just below this video, you see an option to subscribe. So kindly go ahead and do that now. Okay, so thank you very much if you have just subscribed. All right, so now let's get into it. Best online app development courses with certificates. Okay, all right. So the first course I'll be sharing with you is a complete Android 14 and Kotlin development master course. Now, while app development, in these days and time, you will agree with me that there are a lot of apps that makes us. Now, why app development? You agree with me that currently a lot of things can be done from the comfort of anywhere via the app. And if you are operating your phone, there's a high chances that you are doing operating an app. Whatever it is that you are doing, you are using an app. So app development is something that is growing and it is still growing. The demand is still there. So you picking up as a career is also a right thing to do. So now let's look at the first one, and it's the most common operating system for app is either Android or iOS. So those are the courses that I'm going to be sharing with you. Some courses that will help you in app development for Android and for both iOS. Okay, so for this one I'm sharing with you now on the screen is for Android. So says learn Android 14 app development from beginner to advanced developer. Build apps like Trello, 7 minutes workout, weather app. Exactly. So these are some apps that you'll be able to build after completing this course. So currently the course is one of the best seller when it comes to app development, with about 16, almost 17,000 ratings and going to 100,000 students enrolled into the course. So what are the things that you're going to be learning in this course? Is you will learn what you will learn. You can build any Android app that you can think of, no matter if it is an idea that you or your friend have, or if it is a contract job that you need to develop. Exactly. So that's just it. You're going to be able to develop app either for yourself or for others. And that means you can also offer app development as a service. So you'll be proficient in XML. You'll be able to work as an Android freelancer and work from anywhere in the world. So I said you'll be proficient using Jetpack Compose. You'll be confident using Kotlin and programming in general. So what does this course include? So a total of 66 hours. The course is 66 hours long. And you'll also be getting 67 articles, 136 downloadable resource. Then there's going to be a certificate of completion. So you can access it just from anywhere. Right here is the course content divided into 32 sections. So these are all the sections in this course. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see each of the topics under each section. So you can see it is properly aligned. So day 1, day 2, so they've put it into days, day 3, and then the like. So location app, wish list app, navigation in Android. Let's scroll down and see. So weather app, and then so these are all the course outlined in this course. So what are the requirements? A Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Definitely you will need a computer to practice all of the information that are going to be shared with you in this course. Then no programming language is required. I'll teach you everything you need to know. So if at all you don't have a knowledge of any programming, you can still apply into this course. However, knowledge of programming will definitely be of great help to you. Okay, so you can see these are some of the recent review a week ago, a month ago. So far, it has been very good. Just having a little issue with the Android Studio version. Since we are working with a lower version, some dependency has issue, and I have to start sourcing for ways to fix them. Okay, All right. So in terms of pricing, because this is actually a paid course, the course actually costs $13.99 at the time of making this video. So you might be seeing a different price because I'm doing this video sometime around Black Friday. So they're currently running some discounts, so you can get it for $13.99, which is approximately 14. Although you might be seeing a different price, probably based on the time and the location when you are on this page. But however, whatever the price is, I believe it's a great value for money. So this is the first one I'll be recommending, and I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. So now let's look at the second course. Right, so the second course is also a course on Android. So this is the complete Android 15 course, Master, Java, and Kotlin. Okay. So just like the previous course was also on Android, and this is also on Android. Now, when it comes to online skills, you don't need to just stick with one course. Exactly. So just make sure you access as many as possible. Exactly. So before I'm recommending 2 courses on Android development, I've really taken time to look at most of the Android app development courses online before I shortlist them to 2. So these 2 courses are courses that comes highly recommendable if you are really interested in learning app development. Okay. So learn Android app development in both Java and Kotlin language. You will master Android from 0 to hero. So with a rating of 4.4 and about 5,000 rating, 54 students, you can see the course also was updated as 2 months ago to the time I'm making this video. So what are the things you are going to learn in this particular course? It says learn Android app development from 0 to hero, master Android with Java and Kotlin, publish your own app on Play Store and start earning. So you can start earning from AdMob or from owning apps, and you can also start earning by making apps for other people or other business. So become a professional native app developer. Build basic, intermediate, and advanced apps. Exactly. So there are some basic apps that you also might want to start with, then to intermediate, and then to advance. Okay. So for this now, this is about 76 hours long with 10 coding exercise, 1 practice test, 1 article, 97 downloadable resource, access on TV and mobile, and then certification of completion. So let's see, this has 93 sections. I think the other one has how many sections? 32 or thereabout. Yeah, 32 sections. So this has 93 sections and a total of 76 hours for the total length. So here is the course content: introduction to Android Studio structure, Java basic course, views and widgets, unit converter app. So these are some basic app. Lucky number app resource, more widgets, French teaching app, okay, card view, fragments in Android. So data binding in Android. So these are all the things that to take you through Google Maps, advanced recycle view. These are all the things that the course is going to take you through in a bit to put you through what Android app development is all about. Okay. So also for this, in terms of pricing, this, as of now, this is $9.99, approximately $10 for this particular course. So I'll leave a link to this course in the description of this video so that you can check it out. So right now we've looked at 2 courses for Android development. So now let's look at a course for iOS, okay? Because those are the most common mobile software. Is either Android or iOS. Okay, so this is iOS and Swift, the complete iOS app development bootcamp. So from beginner to iOS app developer with just 1 course, exactly. So fully updated with comprehensive module dedicated to Swift UI. Okay, so the course is still the bestseller with about almost getting to almost 100,000 ratings and almost 400,000 students. Okay, so what are the things that you'll learn? You'll create a portfolio of 15 apps to be able to apply for junior developer job at a technical company. You start your own app-based business. Master creating augmented reality apps using Apple's new AR kits. So become a digital nomad by working as a freelance iOS developer. So these are some of the things that you'll be put through or that you'll be learning in this course. So for this now, this is almost 60 hours on-demand video, 19 coding exercise, 114 articles, 12 downloadable resources. You can access it on mobile and TV, and then just the one other important thing, you're also going to get a certificate of completion. Okay. So let's look at the course contents. So the course content is divided into 36 sections with a total of 542 lectures. Okay. So once you're on this page, you can just click here to under each of the sections to check the topics that are under it. So under the first one, which is getting started with iOS developments and Swift 5, I'm going to give you an intro. So download. So these are some of the downloadable files. Once you see something like this, these are downloadable files. So let's, okay. These are downloadable files. Then how does app work? How to make an app. So all of these and more are what you're going to be learning in this course as long as iOS app development is concerned. Okay. So let's talk about pricing. So in terms of pricing, this particular course is $15.99. That's approximately $16. Okay. So you will just find a link, and you might be, the price changes from time to time, and I think they run offers and promos, on regular basis, once in a, or maybe just say once in a while. So you might just be lucky to pick it up during that time. Okay. So with that, now these are the 3 courses that I actually want to share with you under app development. I hope you find value in it. So it's either you're starting out with an Android app development or iOS, or you might just take up both. Start with Android, then once you are okay or you have some level of understanding and proficiency, then you can also pick up the iOS app development, or maybe you just want to choose the iOS app development. Exactly. So like I said, the links to all of these courses you'll find in the description of this video, and I hope you find value in all these courses that I've shared with you. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any questions for me to also drop it there. So with that, guys, I wish you success in your app development journey. Do make sure you take action now. There's no need for you to procrastinate on some of these courses. These are courses that you take, and definitely you are going to enjoy it, and it will definitely worth your time. So with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.